Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In my previous tutorial I have upgraded my existing 19C grid infrastructure cluster to 21C version. So if you go to my channel you will find this tutorial here. Upgrade 2-node grid infrastructure to 21C. So this upgrade starting 21C will not upgrade the grid infrastructure management repository automatically. So at the end you will be requested to install RAK database software and then proceed with the grid infrastructure management repository database upgrade. So in 21C grid infrastructure management repository should run in the separate Oracle home. Okay, that's why you need to create a separate Oracle room and then proceed with the upgrade. And this is what we are going to follow here. So starting 21C grid infrastructure management repository will not run in the same home with grid infrastructure. So you need to create a new grid home, and then the owner should be the grid and the group should be all installed. And then you will download the Oracle RAK software 21C and then copy to this grid home, grid infrastructure management home, and start the installation. So when the software installation is done, then only we can proceed with the grid infrastructure management database upgrade. So I have already created the directory structure. I have created my grid infrastructure management repository home here. I have also copied the database software image to that directory and then unzip it. So now what we need to do is just to start the installation. So we go for setup software only, next. This real application cluster database installation, click next. We have our 2-node RAK selected. This is fine, click next. All working fine. So we go for enterprise edition, next. Here we need to change the Oracle base to U01. So I'm going to click next. On fine. Proceed next. So this is fine, perfectly fine. We can decide to run the root.sh automatically at the end. So I will provide the root password here. You can also do it manually. This is okay. Next. So our software installation is going to start. After the 21 Oracle database software installation, we can now proceed with the upgrade. Because to upgrade the grid infrastructure management repository database, you need 21C database software, right? So that's what we are doing now. First we install 21C Oracle database software, and then we'll upgrade the grid infrastructure management from 19C to 21C from the 21C home. Now 100%. We can ignore all this because I'm not using NTP, right? I've not set up NTP, so I will ignore this and then next. Now it's asking for the confirmation to run the root.sh. Okay, you can click yes. Okay, you click yes, and then the installation is successfully completed. Okay, close this. So with this we are done with the software installation. Now we need to proceed with the Grid Infrastructure Management Repository upgrade. We have done with 21C software rack installation. Now let's recap what we are doing. Okay, we started by creating the Grid Infrastructure Management Repository home, and then we changed the ownership. Then we downloaded the soft and copy. Then next we run the installer to proceed with the installation. So now the last step that we are going to proceed in next few seconds is to start with the actual upgrade of the Grid Infrastructure Management Repository. So for that, what we are going to do, we will copy this. Okay, we will copy this. This is the command that we are going to run to start the upgrade. So what we are going to do now, we will copy this. Okay, we copy this, and then I will go to my terminal. I will paste here and then change the location to my grid home, Grid Infrastructure Management home. So I will edit this. I will remove this, and then I will add 21.3. So we change this and then we start the upgrade. So this will take some time. Okay, let's wait. Upgrade is going on. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes depending on your PC. Okay. So the first step is done. The Grid Infrastructure Management Repository database is created in the new database home, as you can see. Okay, now this is the configuration. Configuration was done also. Database configuration done. Okay. The PDB was plugged in the repository database. Okay. Let's wait a few more seconds. So the PDB was upgraded. Okay. Now the upgrade is completed. So this is how you need to upgrade your grid infrastructure management repository. So we are done with this recording. If you are new here, please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial.